There's a chicken crossing the road. Hi, Mr. Chicken. Oh, Miss Chicken. Hi there. What's up? I don't got nothing for you. I'm sorry. Sorry. Wish I had something. We weren't allowed to bring food or drink off the boat. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is craziness. Total craziness. You strutting? It's down to profiling. And there you go. The chicken is walking down the road, crossing the road, taking a walk. Looks like he's trying to get a ride. Yeah, I think he's. Yep, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's getting high. Oh, there he goes. He's under the van. He's about to take it. He's gonna blow it up. Oh my God, that's what happens. That is why the chicken